Hello everyone, thank you for watching Super Soarer video channel. Today I will introduce how to install and use the quarter window control of Lexus SC430. Now, I open the luggage door. This is the quarter window control device. Relay device. Connector. Wiring to supply 12 volts power from the cigarette lighter socket in the room. This is the roof control computer. I cut and split here during the development stage of this device for easy access. For the location of the main unit, never open the device. Put it under the black frame here. Snug fit and stable. As a result of trial and error, this is the best position. And remove the connector here. And insert the connector of the device. The connection is now complete. Then, pass the power cord through the room. I think that it is more stable to pass the power cord under the wiring group. So where is the hole in the room? It's on the bottom left of the speaker. There are already many other wiring going through, but let's pass the power cord here. If you remove the seat in advance, it will be easier to pass through. Removing the seat is easy. Just lift the front part at once. This is the wiring that I passed earlier. From here, the upper hole. Route this power cord to the console box auxiliary power socket or the front cigarette lighter socket. The power cord is long enough to do just that. This power cord tucks into the side of the console. Also, it is okay to remove the console panel and pass the power cord from the backside. The connecting part of the power cord is a one-touch connector. You don't have to think about it because it can be plus or minus. Twist the connector 180 degrees to connect. Simply pull to remove. Twist the connector 180 degrees to connect. It is switch combined use. Activating this switch reverses the behavior of the quarter windows when opening and closing the roof. Now, let's explain how to use this device. Now the roof is closed and all windows are closed. Press this device. It will then glow blue. Pressing open in this state opens the roof with the quarter windows raised. Quarter windows usually drop here, but not now. Now, the roof open state with the quarter window raised is completed. Press the device to turn off when finished, to stop unnecessary energization of the relay, and just press close to close the roof. One thing to note here, the roof drops into the quarter windows from above. I was a little worried that the window glass would break due to the impact. I haven't had an accident like that in 13 years. But first lower the quarter windows and then close the roof, especially if the windows are misaligned. Now, let's do a demonstration. To lower only the quarter window from this state, press the device and press open. Then press close as usual. Just press open momentarily, lower it by about 3 centimeters, and press close. Next, open 4 windows with the roof closed. Press the device and press close to open the quarter window. If it doesn't go down completely, press it again. Then lower the side windows as usual. Now you have 4 windows open. Next, raise only the quarter window from this state. Press the device to turn it off and press close. If it does not go up, press it again. In short, when the roof is closed, it is controlled by the close switch. Push on the device and press close to open the quarter window. Push off the device and press close to close the quarter window. That's all for the explanation. Thank you for watching until the end.